Hi, my name is Michael Angelo and I'm from the Netherlands. I'm 18 years old and I'm in my uncle's studio, Zwennes Sound Light. I'm going to perform a song called Ordinary People of John Legend. I hope you like it, rate and comment, so here I go.
Als je klaar bent gaan we beginnen. Mike, ken die? Ja?
Ja.
Oké, komt-ie.
Girl, I'm in love with you. This ain't the honeymoon, past the infatuation phase. Right in the thick of love. At times we get sick of love. It seems like we argue every day. I know I misbehave and you made your mistakes, and we both still got room left to grow. And true love sometimes hurt. I still put you first, and we'll make this thing work. But I think we should take it slow. We're just ordinary people. We don't know which way to go, 'cause we're ordinary people. Maybe we should take it slow. Take it slow, oh, 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 oh. This time we'll take it slow. Take it slow, oh, 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 oh. This time we'll take it slow. This ain't a movie, no. No fairy tale conclusion, yo. It's getting more confusing every day. Sometimes it's heaven sent, then we head back to hell again. We kiss and we make up on the way. I hang up, you call, when we rise and we fall, and we feel like just walking away. As our love advances, we take second chance to it's not a fantasy. I still want you to stay, yeah. We're just ordinary people. We just don't know where to go, 'cause we're ordinary people. Maybe we should take it slow. Take it slow, oh, 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 oh. This time we'll take it slow. Take it slow, oh, 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 oh. This time we'll take it slow. Maybe we live and learn. Maybe we crash and burn. Maybe you stay, maybe you leave, maybe you return. Maybe another fight. Maybe we won't fight, but maybe we grow. We never know, baby. You and I, we're just ordinary people. We just don't know where to go, 'cause we're ordinary people. Maybe we should take it slow, 'cause we're ordinary people. Maybe we should take it slow. Take it slow, slow. This time we'll take it slow. Take it slow, oh, 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 oh. This time we'll take it slow. Slow, oh, slow, oh, oh. This time we'll take it slow. Take it slow, oh, slow, oh, oh. This time we'll take it slow, slow, slow. This time we'll take it slow.
Thank you for watching, rate and comment, and I hope to see you again. Thanks.